Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing two looks using the new Norvina Volume 2 palette. I got this palette in PR 2 days ago and I'm excited. They also sent over some glitters. Now this collection is going to be available in Sephora, in store, and online September 26th. I also included some swatches just in case you guys were interested. I know swatches don't really matter much, but I still wanted to include them. But let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to start by priming my eyes using the ABH eye primer. Then I'm going to pick up the shade E3 and I'm going to start on by packing it on before I start blending. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade B3 just to blend in that shade. And then I'm going to pick up a little more of E3 just because you can lose the shade when you're blending too much. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade A2 to blend everything together. Picking up a Q-tip, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the crease before I go ahead and cut it. And I'm going to use the ABH 18 brush to cut it. Picking up some more of the ABH primer, and if you guys have watched my last tutorial, this is how I do a halo eye. And I'm going to pick up the shade E3 and put that in on the outer corner and on the inner corner. And I'm also going to do the same with the shade B3 and A2. Picking up the shade C1, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the center, and I'm also going to be using the glitter they sent me, which is in day 2, and I'm going to put that in the center. Now watch how quick I do my brows. If only, you guys. I'm going to be using some Clarity lashes, and then I'm going to be picking up the 3 shades that I used for my lower lash line. I used this brush cleaner that I picked up at Walgreens just to clean up this brush because I love using this specific brush for my lower lash line. Now picking up some Vegas loose highlighter to finish off the look, and that is it for look number 1. Let's get ready for the second look. On to the second look, I'm going to go ahead and pick up some more of the ABH eye primer, and I'm going to be using the ABH Swish brush. I'm pretty sure this is their liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and outline the shape of this specific look that I want to do today. Next, using an e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and fill in that little space there. I like to use a small brush just so it's easier. Picking up the shade A1, I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the lid. And you guys, I was out of frame, so that's why I wasn't able to get much of it. But this was the best I could do. I'm also going to clean it up a bit on top just in case I went over with the shadow. Next, I'm going to pick up the glitter in Dimension, and you guys, these are so pretty. It's star glitter, and I'm adding the ABH lash glue over with a really small brush. Adding some more of the A1 shade, and I'm also going to be using my Clarity lashes. These are in the style Majestic, by the way. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some bottom mascara. Last but not least, I'm going to be adding some of the Vegas loose highlighter. And that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.